Good morning, people. So it is day 3 of my trip and the final day of the Hampi trip. So आज I'm gonna go to the other side of the river, Hippie Island. अभी है around it's 8:30. So I'll be taking a bus from here going to the Hampi Bazaar और वहाँ से फेरी राइड लेके I'll go to the other side of the river. वहाँ पे जाके देखना है कि if I get a moped or something, and then the entire day would be spending exploring the other side of the river. This is the place where I'm staying right now, here, in between Hospet and Hampi Bazaar. So that is the road from where I came from Hospet. और यहाँ से सीधा जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे हम्पी बाज़ार होता है सीधा. So currently I am just walking down a little bit towards Hospet, क्योंकि वहाँ पे बस स्टैंड है, कडिरामपुर का बस स्टॉप है वहाँ पे. वहाँ से बस लेके I'll be going to हम्पी बाज़ार. ओके, बस आ जाए तो अच्छा होगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू द लोकल्स बस हर 15 मिनट्स में आती है फ्रॉम हॉस्पिट टू हम्पी. और we can also get a shared tuk-tuk kind of. Hampi? Share.
No share.
No, 20. 20.
Why 20 madam?
Because bus takes 10. I came by. नहीं कल मैं गई थी 20 से, इसलिए मैंने बोल रही. I'm on the roads of Anegundi village. मैंने स्कूटी लिया. Once I came down from the boat, वहीं पे बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो आपको पूछते हैं स्कूटी चाहिए. तो just 2 minutes walk from there and I hired a scooter for like 500 rupees with petrol. It's a scooty, moped available नहीं था. या था and people don't want to give, I don't know, but it was not available, I couldn't see. So मैंने स्कूटी हायर किया for 500 rupees. And now I am headed towards looking for Hanuman temple and then Durga temple and the various other temples on this side of the village. So अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं through the paddy fields, through the boulders, mountains and everything. Okay, and I'll just show you my dhanno for today. So this is my dhanno for today, for day 3. So me and this bike are going to roam around the roads of Anegundi village. कहाँ पे?
इले डेबंगडे सर्कल
कॉर्नर पे.
हाँ डेबे.
हाँ हाँ
सर्कल में
यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो गया.
खत्म है.
यहीं पे है ना. हाँ. Okay, apparently so the petrol is over. They are restocking it and they've told me that there is another shop जहाँ पे पेट्रोल मिलेगा. I have petrol in my bike, but I just want to fill a little more just to be sure of it. can ride peacefully then. So now I have filled half a liter more petrol. Now I am relaxed. थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो तो अच्छा लगता है. So now I am headed towards Durga Temple. Durga Temple, Hanuman Temple, Pampa Sarovar are the three things that we can do here. Hello. So I've reached at the top. Small climb दुर्गा टेम्पल पे आने के लिए और अभी भी आगे जा रही हूँ. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द वाली केव. श्री शक्ति गणपति टेम्पल, शिवालय टेम्पल एंड वाली केव. So we are going to go inside a cave now. ओके, यहाँ से अंदर जाना है. Let me put on the torch. Alright, I am inside a cave. Torch चल भी रहा है या नहीं? पीछे से. Okay. A very small circle. I've come from that road और यहाँ पे पंपा सरोवर है, तो अभी मैं जाके पंपा सरोवर चेक करने वाली हूँ. There is a main road and then there are bifurcations on the main road जो अलग अलग चीज़ टेम्पल्स की तरफ और टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस की तरफ लेके जाता है. There are boards also kept. I mean there are hoardings on the road to direct you on. So I've reached Pampa Sarovar. People consider this to be a holy place. So this is the kund behind. This is Pampa Sarovar and there is a temple also. The beauty of this place is just to take a scooty and roam around. Wanted to actually see the bouldering classes that happen here, पर अभी मेरे पास उतना टाइम नहीं है. Next time when I'm going to come here, I'll try to visit the bouldering classes. They say it's very expensive as such. Basic भी करना हो तो बहुत ज़्यादा expensive हो जाता है, but I just want to see how they do it. अच्छा, now we have come to the Hanuman temple, the Anjaneya hills. If you can see, ऊपर तक क्लाइंब करके जाना होगा. आई एम गोइंग देयर राइट नाउ और वहाँ पे जाके पूछूंगी कि कितना टाइम लगेगा ऊपर जाने के लिए. इफ़ इट इज़ लाइक टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम देन आई मे एज वेल स्किप इट फॉर दिस टाइम. headed towards the Sanapur Lake. वहाँ पे कोराकल राइड करेंगे और उसके बाद बाइक वापस देके बैक टू माय होम स्टे वीरूपापुरा गड्डी. So this place, the Hippie Island, is originally known as Virupapura Gatti. Okay, so ये जो टर्न है यहाँ पे there would be a turn at left. नहीं, यहाँ पे आगे होगी. Maps don't work here. You'll have to download the maps offline. Networks don't work here. Mobile data, mobile network कुछ नहीं चलता है. So it's kind of a no network zone entire Hampi. Monkey Hill जहाँ पे मैं गई थी अभी, that place is actually known to see sunsets or sunrises. But there are two reasons I couldn't go there during sunset sunrise. One is from this month the stay has been banned on this side of Hampi. So Hippie Island में अभी कोई stay नहीं है. And the boat ride, the boat which takes you back to Hampi and Hospet, the last ride is at 5:30 PM. और sunset होता है 6:30 को, so it's not possible for us to see the sunset and go back there. There is one possibility if you hire a rickshaw throughout the day and they take you through the longer route. There is a monkey here. Wow. There is one more monkey crossing the road. हाँ, so मैं क्या बोल रही थी? Yeah. So there is a longer route around 11 kilometers by road which will take you from Hippie Island to Hampi, Old Hampi and vice versa. तो एक वो possibility है. There is no bank, there is no ATM. There is only one bank at Kadirampur where I was staying. Canara Bank है वहाँ पे. बाकी तो मुझे कहीं और यहाँ पे ATM भी नहीं दिखे हैं, बैंक भी नहीं दिखे हैं. There was one petrol pump but वहाँ पे फ्यूल ख़त्म हो गया था. सनापुर कहाँ है? सनापुर लेक. लेक राइट फ्रॉम हियर. आई आस्क्ड द करेक्ट पॉइंट. यहाँ पे टर्न करना है. So the trip ends now. This was the last day of my travel to Hampi. It was a nice experience as a solo trip. If you've liked the videos, do like, share and subscribe, and please comment on it if you have any kind of questions. I would be happy to help you out. So stay tuned. See you in the next travel video.